on some special guests who he hope he plans on packing up and taking home with them, because one of them's a little puppy and the other one's full grown. And they like tattoos, I hear.
They do, and they don't like the hats. Nice
Apparently, yes, they don't like the hats.
They don't like the hats.
Nobody likes that.
Back it up. So this right here, this is Naiche right here, and this is Samson, and they're from Howling Woods Farms in Jackson, New Jersey. Now, this is very important. You're taking a look at a timber wolf right here. This is a typical timber wolf, and Samson is actually a wolf hybrid. Now, when we think about wolves, so many people are scared of them, they hate them, but believe it or not, wolves, they're more scared of us, just like how they're scared of your hats, than I mean, they're really, really scared of us. And unfortunately, people hate wolves.
How come they're not scared of your hat?
I don't know. I feel like it's all Indiana Jones
I
thing.
love that movie Dancing with the Wolves. They're quite sweet.
See, look at that, look at that. Now,
Just look at
see,
that.
look at the paws right there. Now, unfortunately, people think, oh my gosh,
They
these wolf
look like
hybrids
dogs.
make good
Yeah.
pets.
No,
they do not.
they
They
don't.
require a lot of land. Luckily, at the farms, these animals live on a huge 1 acre lot. Beautiful animals. They need to be respected, though. And like I said, wonderful creatures, but very, very misunderstood, like all the other animals.
Okay, so we're going to tell Don't Bob Your Head.
Over here.
Bob Your Head, don't!
Okay. So this is great. I know you guys. I got you guys cocktails. So actually, you can come over here. This is your cup right here. Now lift up the cups very, very carefully. Now don't fling it.